Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use data models. First, understand that a data model serves as a blueprint for organizing information, ensuring consistency and clarity across your systems. It defines the structure of your data, including entities, attributes, and relationships, making it easier to manage and retrieve. This foundational understanding is crucial for building robust and scalable applications, allowing for efficient data storage and access for all users. Designing your data model begins with identifying the core entities, such as customers or products, and mapping out their relationships. For instance, one customer can have many orders. Next, define specific attributes for each entity, like a customer's name or address, ensuring data integrity. Finally, establish primary and foreign keys to link these entities, creating a cohesive and logical structure for your information. Once designed, implementing your data model involves selecting a suitable database system, whether relational or NoSQL, based on your specific needs. You then translate your conceptual design into a physical schema using data definition language, creating tables and defining constraints. Finally, populate your database with initial data, ensuring it adheres to the established rules and relationships, preparing it for real-world operations. Maintaining and optimizing your data model is an ongoing process. Regularly review and update the model to reflect evolving business requirements, perhaps adding new entities or attributes. Monitor database performance, optimizing queries and indexes to ensure rapid data retrieval, even with millions of records. Crucially, implement robust security measures and backup strategies to protect your valuable information from loss or unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.